Anyway guys, quick update on the 2E26 transmitter. I'd like to thank everybody once again for all the words of encouragement, and I'll definitely be continuing this project of the 2E26. I wanted to just give you a little update on what I've managed to figure out here. We had a little problem over the weekend on Sunday, late Sunday. Ended up having a short circuit going on here, and let the smoke out a little tiny bit. Just a little tiny bit of smoke let out. Anyway, so what ended up happening? Somehow, I had my audio. Say the audio comes from the mic into the line control through the transformer, and transformer to the tube, 6AU6. Somehow, one of the wires decided to come off, and yeah, short out across ground, and poof. Anyway, needless to say, the transformer didn't like that short circuit at all. And all this happened because I put a 6AU6 in there, so it was a shorted tube. Kind of weird, but I had a couple other ones. This is the original one I had in there, 6AU6. Then I put another one in there. I figured, okay, maybe I could probably get a little more audio out of it. But anyway, it ended up being a short tube. So I got another 6AU6 in there now, and happy to say the transformer survived, the volume control survived, and the microphone also survived. I ended up having to change out a 2N 2904 transistor I had in there, but if I grab this here microphone and I go talk into it, and test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2 3 4 5, test 1 2 3 4 5, 5 5 5 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 5 5 5. Yeah, so, and that's on the output of the 6AU6 tube. I was reading a little email, and well, by the way, thanks for sending that email. So what I need to do, I need to apparently take the audio from the 6AU6. That's going to be dumped into a 6V6 or a variant thereof, something with a bit of oomph behind it, because apparently the 2E26, it needs a lot of input power, audio power, to drive that thing. And so I need to get a 6V6. I'm almost positive I do not have one here. So I'm going to need one of those, or a variant thereof. I got a bunch of tubes. I got a bunch of peanut tubes, 7-pin and 9-pin tubes and sockets. So we'll see what I got there and go through it. Put a little inventory on the see what I got. Go through it. But the transmitter, the modulation circuit, is now working again. Yahoo! So yeah, so the monstrosity will continue. And once again, I'll go over again how I have this set up. This is the output, the RF output. It goes up here into the watt meter back here. It then dumps into that there frequency counter, and then into that there dummy load. Right, and I just turned the phone. Dummy load right there, which is on a video on a while ago. But yeah. Hey folks, I'll do a little update again later, and we'll say 7.3 for now. I'm gonna play around with this a little more tonight and see what we can do with it. See if I can punch another socket in here, mount another tube, and see if we can't amplify the audio from this 6AU6 up into another amplifier, and see if we can't get it louder, much louder. 1 2 5 5 5 5 5, 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 5 5 1 2. Yeah, okay. Anyway, see how that goes. Anyway folks, sounds great. All the best. We'll chat later. It's Reno 63 out.